Right, ladies and gentlemen, which obviously looked like a very furious fight in between Faitma, Zahra and Komal Ikhlas for the women's lightweight category. After 3 rounds of 3 minutes, we're still waiting on the decision from the judges as well. As soon as we get them, we will for sure know who happens to be the winner of this exhibition bout. In between, all the way from the red corner, Miss Faitma Zahra, and all the way from blue corner, Komal Ikhlas. So we finally have a decision with us. Ladies and gentlemen, I know that everybody's anticipating to know whether who won or not. But let's talk about Komal from AJK. So the first round was 27, win over points as well. 27 in the second and 27 in the third round. Where else? Moving on to Miss Faitma. In the first round, in the second round, in the third round. 30, 30, 30, a total of 90 win over points. The winner is Faitma Zahra. Congratulations, this is truly representing Pakistan on each and every front, making sure that Pakistan and Pakistanis are proud as well.